Top headlines for the day.
There have been a lot of speculations building up for the past 2 years regarding the sequel to the 2014 blockbuster film Kick. While putting all the speculations to rest, it is said that Kick 2 will finally go on floors in 2018. Well, yes, according to the sources, Sajid Nadiawala is on the verge of finishing his script for Kick 2 and will soon kickstart with it around mid-2018, as Salman Khan is pretty packed this year with Kabir Khan's Tube Light and Ali Abbas Zafar's Tigers in the Hair. Earlier, it was reported that except Salman, other characters of the film like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Randeep Hooda and Jacqueline will not be a part of Kick 2. But now we have to see if the makers are planning to get the same characters on board or not. We really want Nawaz, Randeep and Jackie again with the devil Salman. Do you want the same? Then comment your thoughts in the section below. Robo 2.0 is surely one of the most awaited film of 2017. Starring superstar Rajinikanth and Akshay Kumar, fans can't seem to hold their excitement for the movie. But now it seems that there's the bad news for all the Thalaiva fans. Wondering why are we saying so? Well, according to the latest updates, the release date of the film has now been postponed from Diwali 2017 to 25th January 2018. This will ensure that 2.0 captures more and more audience on this Republic Day weekend. Well, I know this is a bad news for all the fans, but this has certainly come across as good news to Ajay Devgan and Aamir Khan, as Golmaal Again and Secret Superstar will easily get desired number of screens now. Stay tuned to Bollywood Spy for more Bollywood updates. Shah Rukh Khan is an inspiration to many around the world, and now, like SRK's zillions of fans, British singer and songwriter Zayn Malik has also admitted that Shah Rukh Khan has been an inspiration to him also. In a recent award ceremony, when this British singer bagged an award for his achievements in the music world, surprisingly, Zayn uttered Shah Rukh Khan's name in his thank-giving speech. A very excited Zayn on his achievements said, "I'm not really a guy of many words normally. I don't know much about these speeches, but obviously I have to thank you for this. This is an amazing evening. I must say I'm honored to be here tonight. It's incredibly humbling to accept an award on the same stage with some people I've looked up to my entire life. Iconic people such as Shah Rukh Khan." So what do you guys have to say about this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. Salman Khan's nephew Ahil is the cutest munchkin in the B-town, and there's no denying in that. Recently, we got our hands on a cute video of Ahil with none other than Salman Khan's Jai Ho girl, Daisy Shah. आपको बता दे, these days Daisy and Ahil both are in Auckland with other stars like Bipasha Basu, Badshah and of course Salman Khan for the Bang Tour. This video of Daisy playing with Ahil, lifting him in her arms, and Ahil playing with Daisy with a big smile will for sure make you grin. While sharing this cute video on her Insta account, Daisy captioned it as, "Cutest smile with twinkle in his eyes, happiest munchkin I've ever seen. #cuddles at Arpita Khan Sharma at iSharma." So what do you guys have to say about this cute video of Daisy and Ahil? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for more spicy Bollywood updates, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
Salman Khan's Tube Light has blockbuster written on the cards. Ever since the posters of the film got released, fans have lost their mind. But here we could not help but draw similarities with the Hollywood classic Forrest Gump. For some reason, Salman's Tube Light sounds a lot like Tom Hanks' Forrest Gump. So here we have found 3 similarities between these two adorable characters. The slow learner. Forrest Gump is a slow-witted but kind-hearted, good-natured man, and so is Salman Khan in Tube Light. He is even called Tube Light by people around him for his slow-witted ability. The appearance. Tube-Light is seen wearing simple clothes like checkered shirts and rugged sweaters, while Forrest Gump wore shirts and blazers. But still they have similar nuances and the two look uncannily similar in their appearances, and this speaks volumes about why we are comparing the two. Even their hairstyles are similar. The army background. While Forrest Gump joins army, Tube-Light is in search of his brother who is in the Indian Army, and while we are not much aware of the plot of the Salman Khan starrer, there is a possibility he might join army in the film. We think just like Forrest Gump, Tube-Light also is going to be a film with a big heart. What do you guys think about these? Do post your comments below.
While Bollywood divas Priyanka Chopra and Deepika Padukone are killing it in Hollywood, here are some Bollywood actors who are not very keen in working with Hollywood films, and one such actor is the Sultan of Bollywood, Salman Khan. Going by his recent quote, "We really don't think it's ever going to happen." Well, Salman is in Auckland for the Bang concert tour, and for that a press conference was organized. And it was there when Salman Khan was asked about doing a Hollywood film, to which the actor wittily replied that Hollywood is too far and he doesn't even feel like leaving his own house for work. Though it would be amazing to watch Sallu Bhai slaying in Hollywood films, but now we are more than happy to hear this from Salman, as we want our Sultan to stay here in Bollywood and entertain us forever. What say? Do you have any thoughts? Then post them below. The second poster of Salman Khan from his highly anticipated film Tube-Light is breaking the internet. The actor never looked so adorable before, and we just can't take our eyes off. And guess that's why most of people didn't notice one thing, and that is his mother's name on the poster. While everyone was going gaga about Salman's look, here we noticed that other than his brother Sohail Khan, even his mother Salma Khan is a part of the film. We don't know if you have noticed it, but the poster has her name on it. We bet you didn't, and we don't blame you for that. It's easy to get distracted when you have Salman Khan looking so adorable. He definitely grabs your attention. At the bottom of the poster, you will see produced by Salma Khan and Salman Khan. Isn't this so sweet? We all know how much Salman loves his mother. What are your thoughts about it? Do post your comments down below.
Salman Khan's Tube-Light is grabbing the eyeballs of all the fans. Recently, the makers released the first poster of the flick that showed only Salman Khan's back, and now they have surprised his fans again with another new poster that reveals his complete look. Anyway, all in all, the buzz of the film is just too damn high to control ourselves. And now to add to this excitement, it is said Chinese beauty Juju will come to India to promote the film with Salman Khan. Yes, this news has been confirmed by Kabir Khan himself. He said that Juju is going to join Salman Khan for the promotion of Tube-Light. He also called his leading lady a gorgeous woman and a lovely actor. Well, it seems the Tube-Light makers are determined to make the promotions a grand affair, as they have a package full of surprises and we cannot wait to unpack it. Are you all excited? Do post your views below.
Oh my god, it seems that the controversy created by Sonu Nigam's tweet isn't going to end anytime soon. Well, by now almost everyone knows about the Nigam's tweet on Azan, where he referred it as forced religiousness and gundagardi. And now it seems that the matter has taken an even serious turn. Well, according to reports by a leading daily, Sonu's tweet led to a knife fight in Ujjain that led to 2 people getting hospitalized owing to injuries. Well, Hua Yuki, a guy, posted a message on Facebook where he said that he supports Sonu Nigam and will listen to his songs only. This post agitated a few people who later followed right to his friend's birthday and assaulted him and his friends with knife. Well, this issue has surely taken up a serious turn. Henna, what do you guys think about it? Do tell us in the comment section below.
Salman Khan is the reason for many in Bollywood who are currently enjoying fame in the industry, and one of them is Jacqueline Fernandez. Salman gave Jackie's career a major boost with Kick, and fans have been waiting to see this wonderful Jory again on screen, but we guess that will take some time, and the reason is Jacqueline herself. Well, rumors were rife that Jacqueline has been roped in for Salman's Jugalbandi, but she decided to say no as she is already tied up with upcoming projects, which is why she is unable to squeeze out time for Jugalbandi. As per reports, Jacqueline currently has 3 projects, Drive, Reload and Jurva 2 in her kitty, and despite trying to work around the dates, a window could not be allocated for Jugalbandi as she has already committed to her earlier project. While Jackie has decided to let go of Salman's Jugalbandi, it would be interesting to see who the Khan will rope in next. What do you think? Do write your comments below.
The mid-air debacle between Kapil Sharma and Sunil Grover has made sure that these two men are being most widely reported about in India. Kapil's apology didn't seem to convince Sunil. In fact, it got him an opportunity to start up a new show. Well, yes, since people were waiting to see Dr. Mashhoor Gulati on screen, Grover is now coming up with a new show for his fans. According to reports, Sunil Grover's show will be a celebrity-based show, but it will be different from Kapil Sharma's show. Even other co-actors like Ali Asgar, Chandan Prabhakar and Sugandha Mishra, who boycotted Kapil's show, will also be a part of the show with other talented artists. While Grover is in talks with Sony to air the show, he is fielding offers from rival channels as well. The show will not be named after Sunil, and he is okay with it. The show will go on air from the month of June. Now we wonder how Kapil's show will go. What do you think? Do post your comments below.